having some fun right now. Beautiful day out. I have some logs here that I want to turn into bowl blanks, and a person's going to come by that I met, and he really wants to know how to how to get bowl blanks from logs. So I mentioned, well, I got a lot of logs here. We can do some of it, and we'll check out the process. Anyway, right now I'm just taking some of the bark off of this, and this piece is a piece of applewood. It's a piece of applewood. I flattened out that, and I'll take it on my bandsaw. I'll cut it round, and then I'm going to take some sealer. This happens to be Tree Saver green wood sealer, and we'll put that on and wrap it in some plastic, and hopefully you'll take home maybe 4 or 5 bowl blanks, and he'll check it out on his lathe. I think it's a lot of fun turning green lumber, and this will be his first shot at it.